Counties. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on this Friday. I'm Ben Bradley.
And I'm Lourdes Duarte. Let's begin with the governor. He outlined what the state will be doing to bring the case count down.
WGN's Gaynor Hall is live with this story. Gaynor.
Ben and Lourdes, with early signs of a possible resurgence, the governor says they're keeping a close eye on rising hospitalizations, which is a key metric when it comes to moving into the bridge phase before the state can fully reopen.
This is very concerning to us, and it makes us take a pause here to evaluate these numbers.
Governor Pritzker announcing today vaccine eligibility is expanding ahead of schedule to anyone over age 16 in counties where demand has slowed as COVID-19 metrics are once again trending in the wrong direction.
In those areas, we didn't want any doses sitting around. We want to make sure they get into people's arms as fast as possible.
The governor joined elected officials at Kennedy King College for celebration of the Illinois Legislative Black Caucus's economics package that he signed this week, including a number of reforms from targeting state contracts to payday loans.
We are now ensuring fair wages for Black workers on their jobs and helping to end wage disparities for Black women, men, and people with records.
In too many of our communities, there are not banks, there are not credit unions, and our hard-working people are at the mercy of payday loans and currency exchanges, something, ladies and gentlemen, that we must stop in its tracks.
Mayor Lightfoot left the event early, refusing to answer questions from reporters.
You're being disrespectful.
As controversy continues to swirl around Loretto Hospital after a series of reports from Block Club Chicago and WBEZ revealed the hospital gave much needed shots to ineligible people. The COO has resigned, but the hospital is sticking with its CEO. And State Senator Kimberly Lightford, who's on the board, says they're a few days away from finishing an internal audit.
More than 16,000 vaccinations that we've given. This conversation has been about less than 200 of that 16,000. So we're digging really deep to realize who they were, where they came from.
And back to the COVID-19 vaccine, state officials saying Illinois is expected to get 1 million doses next week. Residents should reach out directly to their local health departments to see if there is expanded eligibility in their areas. Reporting live near Kennedy King College tonight in Inglewood, Gaynor Hall, WGN News.